Cleaning your VOC DOC Nebuliser couldn't be easier, and doing so on a regular daily basis will improve the longevity of your device. If you use your nebulizer periodically throughout the day, then a simple wipe between uses is enough to keep it clean. Please only use non-abrasive antibacterial wipes such as the Clinell Universal Wipe, and never use wipes that contain strong cleaning agents such as bleach. Wipe the main contact points and store away in your case until you need it again later. At the end of every day, please ensure that you remove any remaining saline from the reservoir. Add a small amount of tap water to the reservoir, being extremely careful not to expose the main body of the device to water. Replace the top cap securely and gently shake the device to rinse the reservoir inside. Operate the device to pull some of that water through for approximately 30 seconds. This will reduce the risk of any salt residue buildup. Remove the cap and then empty the contents. Placing the device body to the side well away from any water, rinse the mouthpiece and the top cap. Place to the side and allow all of the pieces to air dry before storing away.